Hello, beautiful people of the world. The trees are getting green and the sun feels warmer when it touches my skin. I get lost in nature often. It inspires my creativity and calms my conflicted mind. I've started to feel more like myself again, who always found happiness in smaller things. And somehow, that's all I ever needed. Being closer to nature is a big part of me. When I'm away from it, I start feeling lost and agitated, causing my whole life to disrupt. That's why I could never settle living in a big city. I just wasn't made for that. How else would I be able to place my hand on everything I see? It's a weird habit, or should I say weird to everyone else. To me, knowing the texture of tree branches or water makes me feel closer to nature, almost like we are one. It's not always about how beautiful something is, it's also about how it makes you feel. I would like to believe that better days are coming, just like spring, and how I've found my peace walking through trees and listening to the sound of the river. I hope you find your peace too, wherever you are watching this, and however heavy your heart feels. I hope you find your way away from your thoughts. Okay, so let's get back to remaking our home.
These are... I like these colours as well, actually. And I want these curtains, and then...
This is my sister dragging me to shopping for her bedroom. But really, this is a video of me doing our guest bathroom makeover, so let's get to that. So the first and the most important part of the process is prep, which is exactly what I'm doing here. I only wanted to paint a section, so I divided it with tape and started to paint. Whilst I was painting, I was hoping this turns out like I had imagined, because it wasn't a Pinterest inspiration, it was just me experimenting. Also, the lighting is horrendous, so the color shown here isn't exactly perfect. Now to changing the accessories whilst the paint dries.
Hi, cutie! Why does he look so sad? Is it just his face? Anyway, come on, Sajal. Sajal!
The mirror is also thrifted from a while back. We never had a place to put it before, so this is exciting.
It's very annoying. Is it working now, is it?
Yes, it should be working.
Take it out. Look how pretty! Oh my god.
Whose thumb is that far away?
Yours.
This is not the official way to do stomach. This is the her way. So I put up the toilet roll stand and the light, or what I call it, pine cone light. It just looks like a pine cone to me.
Pretty!
Whilst we peel the tape, I've added a lot of behind the scenes in this video, just trying something new. So let me know if you guys like it like this or without.
This is the wallpaper. Oh my god! Zoro! No! Wait, what are you doing? You're ruining my wallpaper. No!
the wallpaper in shape of how I wanted it, and then to visualize, we put it on the wall with tape, made a paste of the adhesive, and nervously put the wallpaper on.
Is it in the middle though?
That's what I can't tell until you put it on. Or like put it close.
Put it on and then take it off. What's wrong with you, Sajal?
No, but the right side. Come here yourself.
Towards the final touches, adding a little rug in the middle of the bathroom, and this hat which is from Morocco, some more thrifted decor, and an elephant, of course. Some pampas to make it look super flowy. And this frame, which is also a set from the ones we put in the hallway. Now we have the wooden shelf with some soap and the green towel to match the aesthetics. Finally, a door hook. Once again, we've come to an end of another video and another project. I hope I've inspired you to do your bathroom as well, because people don't mostly see that as an opportunity to create, but it makes the biggest difference, as I have hopefully proven in this video. So I hope to see you next time for my next project. Thank you so much for watching. Love, Sahar.